客家风情。
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在让我们来收听精彩的客家音乐创作。
Hey, what's up? It's time for another Hakka song on ICRT. I am Joseph Lin, and we got music from Huang Yujuan called Gian Dan, which simply means simplicity. And the lyrics highlight the joy found in simple moments, like getting a message from a friend while daydreaming and replying with a smile. And it also shows how changing your perspective can bring simple happiness in everyday life. So let's take a listen to Simplicity, Gian Dan.
Oh my dear friend， 你看见天空，轻轻的声音，轻轻的声音震动你的心弦，叮咚老的很响，也许会快乐。
今天介绍的这首歌曲叫做《简单》，简单是由黄玉娟所带来的作品。歌词呢描述很多快乐都是来自于非常简单的事情。当手机呢跳出来自朋友的讯息，你拿起手机并用愉悦的心情来回复讯息，也是一种。或者是在生活中，只要换个角度看事情，就会发现充满许多小快乐哦。You know, some of the simplest things in life are the best. Hope you enjoyed the song called Simplicity, 简单. Thank you for listening. I'm Joseph Lin.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.